Recognising that people don't just want products, they want complete solutions, SEW-Eurodrive offers services in every phase in the system life cycle. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The complete customer service experience runs from initial inquiry through sales, commissioning and installation to product support and 24-hour emergency spare parts repairs and replacements. SEW-Eurodrive service and repairs portfolio is available worldwide and extends to all the company's product range, including gear motors, drive electronics, servo systems, decentralised technology and industrial gears. A comprehensive range of services is available, including a 24-hour emergency breakdown service available 365 days a year to significantly reduce downtime. The local service team helps customers quickly and reliably, in-house or on-site, when urgent and complicated situations arise. And the company's market-leading local inventory means that repairs and replacements can be organised in the shortest time possible. And you should find out more about SEW-Eurodrive support services at all the W's, sew-eurodrive.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.